Hello, good day, guys. This is Dr. Cool. In today's very video edition, I want to bring something that could help you guys in some way. This is not going to be free, so if you're looking for a free stuff on, especially on this very topic here, well, you need to keep scrolling. However, if you want to get this very problem solved and pay some certain amount of money, well, I can assure you my own method is going to be like 99% possible to get it solved. I'm going to give you proofs, and I'm probably going to say I have faced this very problem of demonetization twice, so I have a lot of experience. One was short term and the other one was long term. Now, what made the second one became a long term is because YouTube changed the policy and extended the downtime or the waiting time for 3 months instead of 30 days that it was previously. So within the time it was 30 days, I had my own bad news. I think it was around September 2023 that my account, I got a notification that my account was demonetized. My account generated like about $800, and I was thinking that after the demonetization they're gonna give it back to me, but the customer care which I spoke with, the support which I spoke with that time, told me they're gonna refund the money back to the advertisers. So that was pretty hurtful. Then at last, I think around December, I got it solved. That time I was for the reason why my channel was flagged was repetitive content and some other claims again. And then I was actually busy posting magic shots on my YouTube. I never knew about the strict regulations. Now, the second phase came on February 2024. I got another notification this time, and this time that was actually when my account was really heating up. I was reacting to video and posting on my shorts, and the reaction didn't include my voice, so they got me. And this time, since February, my account lasted for like I just got back to monetization in September. And now on the second phase of the demonetization, a very terrible thing did happen. YouTube did actually disconnected the contact support link which I was supposed to have used to chat with them. So it was a pretty difficult thing for me. It was very hard, but I was pushing, and at last I was able to put it off without deleting all my videos, because I take a look at how the previous videos that I've deleted previously before this first issue occurred, and it was hard to actually get back to that fast pace at which my YouTube account and videos was really growing. So I know that if you go ahead to delete it, well, it's gonna be hard to build it back, except if you have a trusted subscriber base. But right now, as it is in my YouTube channel, and a lot of people could be facing the same thing where you have a lot of subscribers but they're not interested in watching your videos. We have like 98% or 98.9% of your subscribers are not interested in watching your content. They're just your subscribers. So I did know that the game has changed. It's no more the subscriber that matters but the views. So if you trusted your audience, because I made a poll of recently, I go on live and I asked them to suggest a topic which I'm going to create a content on, but I refuse, no discussion. So between me and my subscribers, there seemed to be a firewall. They don't want to communicate. They don't want to come together so we can have interactive sections, so I can know exactly what their mind is. Over 261k subscribers. So, and I did actually understand what it means. So, and in that regard, it's a game on for me. Since I couldn't be able to come so we can have that discussion, anyone asking me a question in the comment section is pretty much wasting his time. If my video didn't solve the problem, you're asking me a question in the comment section, it's going to be easy for the dead to answer that question than me to answer that question. So now back to the topic of getting your account back to monetization. Drop me email if you are interested in it. I'm going to tell you how much I'm going to take, and before you do that, please do not delete all the videos. Don't do it. If you do it, like I said, then you're not going to be needing me. However, if you haven't done that, if you don't want to delete it and you want to grow from there, there is 90% chance, 90 to 95% chance that I can be able to solve a problem. If I could be able to solve my own problem that I have over 1,000 videos on, I audited everything myself. The customer, YouTube support couldn't, they didn't, they couldn't support me in any way through this very crisis of mine. So in that regard, everything which I learned within the space of about that's getting close to 7 to 8 months downtime is what I'm gonna be using to fix your channel if we have an agreement. So I'm gonna be putting the email address, my email address below this very video description. I'm gonna be sharing proofs so you can be able to see for yourself. I'm gonna find the email. I think I deleted it when the email was issued to me. It should be in my trash. When it was the warning, the demonetization bad news came to me. So how I put it off is what I'm gonna be using to solve your own channel problem. The price is not gonna be the same. So it's not gonna be a flat rate for most of you who might be curious to know how much I will charge. For the time being, like I said, it's gonna shock a lot of you guys, some of you guys who are watching this very video right now, that after the whole thing, YouTube was actually trying to get some information out of me to share how my experience with YouTube so far, and that was after I got back to monetization. So I'm kind of like, are these guys serious? I mean, after putting me through all this, you want me to start sharing my experience on how my YouTube, what I've done, and this, that. I'm not a very good storyteller. No, I don't do that. I don't do that shit. So in that regard, if you keep your finger crossed and you want to roll with me, believe me when I say you're gonna trust me, and that's the only way. But if you can trust me, then go ahead and delete all the videos and start from scratch. But I'm telling you, except if you have a very good subscriber that really cared about your personality and not just about the content that you posted. Because if you have this kind of audience where I have that strictly interested in gaslighting and parasitic picking information that is only suitable to them and doesn't care about when the game goes against me, then trust me when I say you don't want to delete all that video. You don't want to do it. The algorithm is going to shit on you. The algorithm is going to really do something very horrible you never forget. So guys, I'll be putting, like I said, some of the, before this very moment here, you might have come across some of the proofs, every details. Now if you go back to my channel is currently monetized, so this is not making any false claims. So if you're interested, drop me an email at drcoolautofix@gmail.com and drop me a channel link. Then I will evaluate it and tell you how much I'm going to take to fix it. So I'll audit it very well. I'm going to audit it then before you reapply for monetization. And I'm certain that with my experience, I'm going to get it solved. See you around.